Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf, or Mr. English, and in today's lesson, we're going to continue to talk about the simple present, but this time we're going to see some spelling rules for the verb in the third person singular. So, let's take a look. Well, guys, in affirmative sentences, the verb is different for third person singular, for he, she, and it. Okay? Let's see here. I have the verbs here: work, start, read. So, I work, I start, I read. But he, she, and it is a little different. He works, she starts, it reads. Okay? So, the general rule is we add an S to the end of the verb. So, work, works, start, starts, read, reads. Okay? This is rule number 1. But there are more rules. Let's have a look. Rule number 2. When we have verbs like watch, fix, pass, okay? Let's take a look. Verbs ending in CH, SH, SS, X, or Z, we add ES to the end of the verb. So, watch, watches, fix, fixes, pass, passes. Okay? Let's take a look at the next rule. Verbs like study, hurry, carry, we have to do something different, okay? When the verbs end in consonant plus Y, we remove the Y and add IES to the end of the verb. So, study, studies, hurry, hurries, carry, carries. Other verbs that end in Y, like play, enjoy, stay, okay? If the verbs end in vowel plus Y, we add S to the end of the verb. Only S, okay, guys? So, plays, enjoys, stays. Well, guys, for today, that's it. Don't forget to study hard, but most importantly, always use your English. Bye-bye.